Now let's go on to the Intense 5. Angelina Jolie says once her divorce to Brad Pitt is finalized, she's leaving Hollywood. I can't believe this divorce taking so long, but custody battles are the worst. Angelina says Cambodia is on her list of places to move to. Popular reggaeton artist Daddy Yankee is switching gears and says he wants to focus more on Christian faith. Do you think, Daddy Yankee? Idonia is taking a break for a little while to focus on welcoming his new bundle of joy. But he left his fans a treat, 23 songs as a part of a project. He says it's not an album, but either way, we love it. How do you know Sting is in the air? The diss tracks. But why is everybody going after them, Marco? I'm just saying. Lyricist, but hey. And finally holding the spot this week, Massacre's sophomore album Generation of Kings dethroned Bob Marley's legend from the #1 reggae album spot on iTunes. It also debuted at #1 in 12 Caribbean countries. Massacre, go on, do your thing, okay? That's it for the Intense 5. Keep sending us stories you think should make the cut. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. When we get back, TikTok blows up with Bensley Hype's latest track. We move forward.